Hello guys.
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to protect PDF with a password. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Using Adobe Acrobat DC. Visit the official site of Adobe Acrobat. Check description for the link. Download and install the application. Launch the application and the interface will be seen as showing in the tutorial. Click on File option located on the left top of the window. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Open. A window will pop up. Choose the PDF file from that window. And click on Open. Click on the Security tool from the right side tools bar. Then, you will find the options as showing in the tutorial. Click on Protect using Password option. A dialog box will pop up. Here, you can find two options like Viewing and Editing. Choose Viewing option to set password for opening the document. Else, choose the Editing option to protect the document from editing. Type the password and re-enter the password for confirmation. Later, click on Apply option. Then, you will find a notification as showing in the tutorial. That's it, password has been set to the PDF. Number 2. Using Wondershare PDFelement. Visit the official site of Wondershare PDFelement. Check description for the link. Download and install the application on your computer. Launch the application and you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on Open Files option. A window will pop up. Choose the PDF file from that window. And click on Open. Then, you will find the document as showing in the tutorial. Select the Protect option from the top menu. Click on Set Password option. A window will pop up. Click on Open Password option. And type the password in the column. Later, click on Save. Number 3. Protect PDF using PDF Password Locker and Remover. Visit and download the PDF Password Locker and Remover application from its official site. Check description for the link. Launch the application and the interface will be seen as showing in the tutorial. Click on Add PDF option. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window. And click on Open. Then, the file will be seen on the left side of the window. Click on Set User Password option. And type the password in the first column. Later, click on the Set Owner Password option. And type the password in the second column. Make sure to enter the different passwords in the two columns. Click on Browse option to choose the file destination. Later, click on Start option. After the completion, you will find the notification as showing in the tutorial. Remove password using PDF Password Locker and Remover. Launch the application. Click on the drop-down option of Model Choice option. And click on PDF Password Remover option to select. Click on the option as showing in the tutorial. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window. And click on Open to import. Enter the user and owner passwords as showing in the tutorial. Choose the destination by clicking on Browse option. Later, click on Remove option. After the completion of password removal, you will get a notification as showing in the tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.